In this video, I will show you how to set up your Nonser Wi-Fi extender. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet that's close to your main Wi-Fi router. And wait until the power light flashing slowly. Step 2. Now take your phone or laptop and connect to the extender's temporary Wi-Fi network. It usually appears as Wi-Fi Pro _ some numbers, or Wi-Fi 5G Pro. Step 3. After a successful connection, you will be automatically redirected to the extender setup page. Step 4. Here you will see two options: wireless extender settings and wired extender settings. Select wireless extender settings. Step 5. Now extender will scan and show you available Wi-Fi networks. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want to extend. Step 6. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. And click Next. Step 7. Here, you can see your extender's new network details. Click Finish to complete the setup process. Step 8. To check, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a new Wi-Fi network name, often your original Wi-Fi name with _EXT added at the end. Step 9. Select the new Wi-Fi network and connect using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. Step 10. After a successful connection, unplug the extender and plug it in a location halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. And that's it. Your Nonser Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to boost your internet coverage. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.